Okay, this one's about to catch Mo off guard. How about this for an idea at your wedding? When you hire a pole dancer as the entertainment for the wedding ceremony.
That's going to go over well.
This is I don't know if you can call it a trend, but this went viral on China's version of TikTok, Douyin. This is a wedding, I guess the party, not the ceremony, is the reception is what they call it. Mm-hmm. So it's like the party portion. Oh, Mo's very upset.
I don't
Mo's very upset. Go ahead, Mo.
But maybe you can tell me more about the reason why this is happening. I can't imagine.
How the hell I can tell you?
Maybe you know about the story more than I do, but
I mean, I know the story, but who can explain such a thing?
No, I don't get having strippers and a wedding in the same sentence.
Hang on a second. Pole dancer.
Sure, pole dancers.
No, there's a difference.
You're right. There is. I stand corrected.
But still, you're still uncomfortable with this. You're all of a sudden you're touching your chin.
Yeah.
No, you're very uncomfortable. You're very. You're very uncomfortable, but can you think of a reason that this might be a good idea?
Way to lob it up to me for this one, huh? No, I can't.
Okay, I have an idea of how this is a good idea.
Okay.
If the bride was previously a pole dancer themselves and wants some sort of homage to that
But you mentioned
history.
that this is blowing up.
No, I never said it was blowing up. I said I don't know if it's blowing up.
Oh, okay.
This post is blowing up because people are doing what you did. They go, yeah. That's what people are doing. And so they're clicking on it and saying, how dare you? But anyway, the pole dancing thing as performers apparently is gaining popularity, but it's being used mostly for car shows to boost attendance.
This guy, he's chilling. He's having a great time.
And they're saying, like, look, it's just an entertainment aspect, but it's obviously different. Here are some comments from Douyin. Is it appropriate performing such a dance when the elderly, the young, and children were having dinner together, and some were relatives? This is so embarrassing. That's what somebody says. Here we go. She danced really well, but this is not the occasion for pole dancing. That's you, Mo.
I just don't see how the two fit.
That's a completely separate video of a male pole dancer. That has no relevance to trying to click you through to another one. Here we go. There might be such hot dances in rural areas to attract attendance at funerals or weddings.
Funerals?
Lighten up the mood.
That's what I'm gonna have. That's what I'm gonna have. That's what you have in your will. It's like, at my funeral there will be pole dancing
to lighten the mood.
Here, someone says, I find it very vulgar and would not design such a performance at the wedding reception. So,
I mean, to each their own, but I just don't see how that works.
Well, you said the bride was a pole dancer?
No, I said that was the argument that would possibly go over if it was like her best friend who still is pole dancing and she just really wants to have that element. This is, look, I'm not saying that's, just putting that out there. Anyway.
Well, you were right. Shocked me.
I'm glad that lightened the mood.